What is going on, guys? Got another part in for the Explorer. Again, not a performance part, but something that I feel like Ford should have done from the factory, even if it would have cost them $20, $100, whatever per car extra, or at least have been an option. So the Explorer comes with a hood prop. I fucking hate hood props. A $70,000 TV, in my opinion, should have struts. So we got MRT struts, again, thanks to Tyler Clark. He hooked it up. So if you ever need any parts for your Explorer, hit him up. He actually gets you some good discounts for parts. So today we're doing the MRT. The cool thing about these are a no drill installation. So the tools you're gonna need, fast and simple. I got a pair of snippers, a little knife to trim some of the plastic. I got a 10mm socket and a 13 on a ratchet. That should all you need. Here are the brackets. It's even labeled left and right, so you know. And then you got these as well, right, and then you got left. So we're gonna get started. Let's go under the hood. Let me take all my tools and supplies and put them under the hood of the Explorer, guys. So I went ahead and made the cut just to show y'all. You'll be making a small cut here. Obviously you got to put the 10mm there, 13mm goes here, and remember it says if you're inside the car. So this is going to be your right side, the passenger, and the drive side will be your left side. It should hug it like this. It'll pretty much line itself up once you tighten it, get even right here. And just to show y'all what the cut looks like, you move the tab here and you'll have this. Basically you're going to cut up right to that hump here and then smooth out. And that should give you enough space. If I have to trim up anything else, I'll let y'all know. Okay guys, so we got this side installed. Fatter part's gonna go up towards top. You're just gonna firmly push these on. Make sure those tabs are all the way down. I kind of wiggle that side on. Make sure it's clipped all the way down. But as you can see, basically where you're trimming there, we're gonna move on and do the other side. I did have to push the shock down just a little bit because I have a feeling that these are probably gonna make the hood stand up a little bit more. Okay, so another thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna trim the rubber back like here. When you lift this up, you're gonna have a small plastic piece here and another little line there. You're gonna trim that. And basically it's because you want this thing to sit as flat as possible. And so we're not gonna be sticking the old pieces back in there, which are these, because they tend to stick up a lot. So what we're gonna do is probably gonna move this one back there and we'll put this one up here just to see if that'll give it a more flat fit. Alright guys, that closed beautifully like that. So we're going to do the same trimming on this side, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about. Let me put the clips back on this side and we'll move to this side and I'll show you exactly what you have to cut underneath and everything. So when you lift up on this side, so you'll have this and you'll have that flat piece. You'll want to trim both of those and then just that rubber right on that edge, and then you'll be good to go. We'll put everything back down, put everything back in place and send it. So you're moving that tab up here and putting that more flat one here. That way everything can sit flush and you got room for that. Okay guys, so we got everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the hood prop using my 8mm, and then I'll be right back and we will close it, and everything should fit really, really good. Alright guys, so hood prop is off. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. And everything fits really, really good. You got all your OEM body lines, nothing sticking up like it shouldn't be. Everything is smooth. You can kind of see the MRT right through there. Pretty neat, but yeah guys, now we got hood struts. I said it's how it should have came from the factory, but still neat. Still pop it twice and then you just lift up and boom. Yeah guys, hope that helps if anybody's wanting to do it. Super easy, out of your way, so now you don't have a hood prop in your way when you're trying to work on it. And some of that's under the hood of a lot of my cars more than I'd like to be. I'm gonna much appreciate this hood struts. So again, hit up Tyler Clark for those. Peace, love. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, please. We're growing the channel. I'm very excited of where this channel is going. And until next time, guys.